This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. So today's session we are discussing about the Python class, Python introduction. Okay, previous session is the demo. Now here the existing language. There are so many existing languages available. We have the C, C++, Pascal, COBOL, Java, Fortran, MATLAB, and so many other concepts. So many languages are there. Within those languages, uh, we have each language for a specific purpose. Let us say, for example, the Fortran is for the scientific programming. Okay, COBOL is for the business programming, business analysis, and business programming. Okay, so in this way, every language is designed for a specific purpose. And then the data structures are also implemented as the part of the languages. Every language is having the data structures. What is the data structure actually? The data structure means it is the, simply we can say that, the memory management scheme, meaning that if you declare one variable, that is the data structure. If you declare the array, if you are using the array, that is a data structure. Linked list, stacks, queues, all these are comes under the data structures concepts. So the data structures are implemented as per the requirement of the language, specific language. And the programmer, what the programmer has to do, he has to write minimum programming, meaning that the declaration of the variables and initialization of the variables and so many other things are there, as you know, as the regular programmer. And the data science, it requires the special data structures for the statistical computing. If you want to do the statistical computing, the regular data structures are not enough. They are not suitable. So because of that reason, we require some special data structures. And number of built-in objects and functions are required for common and general algorithms. So see, we have to use number of algorithms for different situations. So every time we should not define the complete algorithm continuously. So because of that reason, what we have to do is we have to use the existing algorithms. So for that, we 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 should have the built-in objects and built-in functions for standard operations. And data scientists or analysts, they have to concentrate on data much compared to the logic. Logic is not an important thing. Logic is secondary for data scientist. Data is important for the data scientist or analyst. So we have to more concentrate on the data. We should not concentrate on whether the variable is initialized, whether the variable is the memory is cleared or not, or the pointer is cleared or not. We should not think about all those things. Okay, we have to think about what the data is available, in which state it is available, and how to analyze the data. Only these things only required. So we have to go with the data the data analysis part instead of logic. Okay, did you get my point? Any doubt here? Are you following? Please give the response. Am I with you?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, fine. Yeah, and then let us go with the what is Python. Python is a special language. Actually, whatever it is there on the screen that I don't want to read, Python is the language. Nowadays, it has become the universal language. Actually, like Java. 5 6 years back, Java was the universal language, meaning that it was there anywhere you can go. There is the Java, but nowadays Python has become like that. Initially, C was there. After that, C++ was there. After that, Java occupied that place. Now, Python occupied that place. So it has become the universal language. Why it has become is it is having rich library set, meaning that if you want to do the graphics programming, you have the library. If you want to do the hardware programming, you have the library. Network programming, library. Interrupts, library. operating system concepts, system calls, library. And uh, data science, there are some libraries. Mathematical concepts, libraries. Graphs, libraries. Image processing, libraries. Everything, there are so many libraries available. So Python can be used very easily for the data science. Okay, now actually the previous language for the Python, the base language for Python is ABC, and then it was first developed in 1991. See the versions, you can observe the versions, how much time it has taken to develop. 1994 first version 1.0, 1991 zero version, meaning that basic version. 1.0 it is that 1994, 2000 2.0, and December 2008 3.0. Till now we are in the 3.0 only. So you can observe that how much time it is taking, so that slowly it has developed, and it was very powerful also. Okay, and it is developed by the Python Software Foundation, and initially it was developed on C. After that, that is called the C Python, and then Python, or in Python was developed. So PyPy, C Python, Iron Python, Jython, like this number of versions are there, but initially we are taking the basic version of the Python only, that is the 3.0. I think you understand. Yeah. Yeah, good evening, Pankaj. Yeah. Yeah, let us continue. Just now we started. You can continue. Okay, I think you attended the previous session, the demo session. So we can continue. It is not a big deal. Yeah, you can continue. Yeah. So general purpose high level language. Python is the, what is Python? Python is a general purpose high level object oriented functional programming language. Now, what is the general purpose? General purpose means designed for all purposes. For anything you can write the Python. Okay, object oriented. Object oriented in the sense all components designed as the objects. All components are designed as the objects only, meaning that object oriented programming. Okay, you need not define the objects. You need not define the classes objects. Predefined classes are there. You can define the objects simply, and you can use the object-oriented programming concepts without defining them. And it is a functional programming. In the object-oriented programming, the functions are the part of the objects. But functional programming, the functions themselves are the objects. Okay, so we can use the functions in very different manner. That we will see. Okay, so the Python can be used for different purposes and different programming paradigms. Procedural, object-oriented, functional programming can be used. This is what Python. I hope it was clear. If you have any doubts, you can interrupt me and you can ask the doubts. Now, features of Python. It is the open source. You need not go for any license. It is for open source. And it is easy to learn and very powerful, clear and easy syntax, that is the reliability, and also the dynamic typing. You need not declare the variables, and automatic memory management, you need not remove that variable from the memory, and less code compared to other languages, C, C++, Java. See here, you can see this. If you are good Java program, of course, if you little bit know about the Java, this is a hello world program in Java. And below, there is a single statement in Python, hello world. See the difference. In Java, you have to write minimum programming, but here you need not write the minimum program. It is interactive language, meaning that you need not write a program separately and compile it and submit it. It is not required. It is not required. Directly you can write the program. You can interpret command by command. It is like SQL. In SQL, what you will do? Select star from in the prompt. Like that only, like SQL prompt, you will have the Python prompt. And it is the interpreted language. Yes, interpreted line by line. It will be interpreted. And then Python can be used for both the scripting and the programming also. And one more thing, not only the interactive mode, it can be used for the regular program, like the regular program. It can be used for the script programming. It can be used for the regular programming. It can be used for, meaning that it can be used in different ways, different versions. Yeah, I'm coming to that point. Scripting. Scripting means if you are writing some HTML code, within that, if you want to do some calculation, you have to go for the script languages. JavaScript is there. Okay, VB script is there. It's for so many languages, scripts are there. Python can be also there. Python is also, it can work as the scripting language, so that you can easily embed this code into another language easily. There is a scripting language. It can work as the scripting language, it can work as the regular programming language, it can work as the web development programming language, or anything. I hope your doubt was clear. Yeah. Next, portable, mixable, platform independent. Of course, on any platform it can work. Now, who are using the Python? Yes, YouTube, BitTorrent, IBM, Google, NASA, NWS, and Radar, Applied Mathematics, University of California. So many are there. So many are using this, right? Now, why to use Python in real world? Maybe because of the rapid development in the application portability is there. If you define one application in one place, that can be easily taken into another application, and you can use it, reuse it. And a wide variety of libraries, number of libraries are available, and it can be integrated with other platforms, meaning that other programming language also. Simple instructions to handle the data sets, very simple, you will see that. And analytics, for analytics it is having the special libraries, and graphics also available for visualizing the data. If you want to see the data in the numeric form, it is very difficult, so you can use this. You can see the data with the graphical form, so that you can use it very easily. Packages, number of packages are also available. Number of packages and number of data sources can be also used. Number of packages means there are so many packages are available. Okay, there are so many packages are available. Meaning that, as I told you, for any field there is a separate package available. And data sources, number of data sources can be also used. What are those number of data sources? You can use a regular file, you can use the CSV file, you can use the Excel file, you can use the PDF file, document file, any file can be read. And the data may be available in anywhere, meaning that it may be available in the file format, or it may be streaming, it may be the live data, or it may be from the streaming data, it may be from different data, log data, anything. Any type of data can be used very easily. So that is the specialty of the Python. Okay, databases also can be used, anything. So that is the specialty of the Python. You got it? Any doubts here?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Uh, Now let's continue. Now, what can we do with Python? We can do the system administration or automation, and we can do the database, networking, internet access. You can do these type of programming also, and we can use the GUI development. Games can be developed very easily. Science or mathematical programming, it is possible. Hardware, software testing, and then analytics. Analytics also we can use. Now, how to install the Python software? Python installation on Windows. We can install the Python on Windows, meaning that you can download the Python documentation site, that is the python.org. You can download it. Otherwise, you can, easy way is to download from the Anaconda. You can install Anaconda and you can use it for the Python. Okay, it is very easy to download and install it on Windows, on any operating system it is available. So Anaconda is the best way to practice Python, meaning that it provides number of user interfaces to use the Python. web interfaces or user interfaces. Okay, GUI interfaces are available. So it is very easy to use. I will show you the Anaconda environment. Okay. Now Python installation on Linux, I don't want to discuss about this. So see here, if you install regular Python, in the command prompt, you have to type simply Python. If you type Python and enter, then you will get this uh, uh, prompt, Python prompt. You can observe that this is the Python prompt. See here, this is the Python prompt. Triple greater than is the Python prompt. You can type something there. You can observe that 2 plus 2, if you give 2 plus 2, 4 will be displayed. Very simple, like a calculator. Okay. And you can use the quit method. You can use the quit method for exiting from the Python. To exit from the Python, we can use the quit method. Right? So you just observe this. This is the Jupyter. This is one of the famous uh, user interface for Python.
Notebook.
Yes, Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook, Spider. These are the very famous uh, user interfaces. See here, you can simply write the program and you can execute here only, so that you will get the result here. Right? Are you getting? See here, you are
Yeah.
using you are typing the program here, and you can see the output.
Output.
Yeah, right. And then this is a Spider. Spider will provide you more environment for debugging. Debugging is very easy in Spider because the variable information will be specified. See here, a equal to 5, b equal to 6, c equal to a plus b. So it will give you the variable view, a, b, c. What are the values inside the a, b, c? Also, it will be provided, and the output will be given here. You can observe that. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I have one question.
Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, like I heard that there are few open source data visualization tools and there are few paid data visualization tools. So
Hmm.
what are the difference between them? Because all
Hmm.
of the majority is focused on open source
Hmm.
platform. Then how
Hmm.
paid softwares are still highlighted in the market and have good exposure? So I just want to know the difference.
Yeah. So visualization, you are talking about the visualization, right?
Yeah, right, like Tableau. Here there is Tableau. We can use pandas, right?
Yeah.
So that
Yes,
same
yes,
thing.
yes.
So I just want to know the difference. How they are grabbing the market
The,
instead of Python.
the Python, yeah, Python is having the facility to develop your program on your own. There are so many restrictions in other softwares. Of course, they are designed for a specific purpose. For which purpose they designed, only for that purpose you can use them. But Python, it is you have the flexibility to use it in different ways.
Give me one example so that I can understand how.
Yes, yes. So, did you use Tableau?
I just seen some few videos on the YouTube. Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Okay.
seen some.
What you have seen?
I just seen that it is a famous data visualization tool and or
Okay.
used by the organizations
This
to
is this is for visualization only. In Python,
right.
you can write the program, you can analyze the data, you can pre-process the data, you can handle the different files. Okay, so many options are there. There is the flexibility to use different kinds of data. For other softwares, there is no such
But still,
flexibility.
sir, instead of using Tableau, they can use Python.
Uh, yes,
But I just want to
internally
know
it will be
why they are
there.
focused on.
Uh,
Okay.
why there? Did you get my point?
Sir, I got your point, but just like still few of the known major companies are using Tableau. Just heard
Ah,
that. So I just
ah.
want to know, instead of using Tableau, they can also use Python and few
Yes, Python they can
open
use,
source platform. But
but
then
but
why they are going for a paid software instead of open source? That is the
because
only thing I want to know.
yeah, because is it having the GUI or not? Tableau.
Yes, they have.
Ah, and it is designed for the easy user interface. It is designed for the easy user interface, and it is designed for the specific purpose, that is the visualization. Here in
Right.
the Python we have the visualization plus so many other concepts, but you have to write little bit programming. You have to understand what are the required libraries for the particular specific purpose. So you have to understand little bit about the libraries. If you use the Tableau, you need not understand all those libraries. Directly you can use them. You need not bother about them.
Okay, just have to give the client as per the requirement they used to.
Yes,
They have to just use it, right? As a
that's
layman.
it. Yes, that's it.
Okay. Okay, understood. Thank you.
Got it?
Yeah, please proceed.
Yeah. Now we have to discuss about the overview of the Python. Let's go with overview. 1 minute. Yeah. So let us go with the overview of the Python. So first we will discuss about modes of interaction, and then basic programming. What are the basic programming, and data types, and help. We will discuss about these things. Modes of interaction. There are three different ways to interact with the Python. One is use the Python's interactive shell, interactive or interpreter. Okay, it is like this. You have the Python prompt. There you can type the commands. That is one way, right? You can simply use Python. You can simply type the Python and you will get the prompt. Then you can type the commands. Then it will give you the result immediately. See this here, 2 plus 2, enter. 4 will be there, 4 will be displayed. Okay, and then uh, if you type print hello world, immediately it will be displayed. Interactive and interpreted language. So you can use in this format. Otherwise, you can go for the script or batch mode. Batch mode in the sense you can write some program. Let us say, for example, sample.py. It is like our Java program. Like our Java program, you can write one program and then you can simply type Python space that sample.py so that it will execute and it will display the result. So this is the script mode or batch mode, meaning that you will make the statements as the batch and you will execute them. Got my point? Are you getting? And then another mode is IDE. IDE means we have several IDEs available. Okay, and already I told you about some live IDEs. Some basic IDEs are also available. That is the simple UI, user interfaces are available. But it is better to go for the Jupyter or Spider. We can go with the IDEs Jupyter or Spider. I don't want to go for another things because for data science they are useful. Okay, and then now what are the concepts or hierarchy of the Python program? The Python program will have the modules. The module means it is a collection of statements. The statement means it is a collection of expressions, and we can create and processes the objects by expressions. So the hierarchy is like this. So if you write simply the expressions like c equal like 2 plus 2, enter. That is just an expression. C equal to A plus D, that is a statement. Okay, so in C equal to A plus B also there is an expression. C equal to A plus B. A plus B is the expression that is assigning into C. Okay, there is a statement. If you combine number of statements, you can make it as the module. If you use the number of modules, you can write a program. Of course, without using the modules also, you can write the Python program. It is not a big deal, right? Now, output. How we can display the data? That is by using simply the print. You just have a look. And for the next class, you have to install the Anaconda and come to the class so that you can understand easily. Now see this example. You just go through these statements, I will explain. Okay, have you gone through that? Yeah. Now see this. There is a small difference between the version 2 and version 3. You can see that here in the first step, print without any parenthesis, I am giving within quotations hello world. If you give like this, then it will display hello world. It is in the Python 2. In Python 3 also, in Python 3 it will not work. In Python 3 you have to give the parenthesis. Definitely you should give the parenthesis. Okay, you have to understand this because some language, some internet versions and some textbooks, they are using the 2 version and some are using 3 version. We have to identify which is 3, which is 2. Okay, so in this way we can display one output like this by using print within the parenthesis. Simply you can give within quotations, you can give the hello world. It may be the single quotations or double quotations, it is not a big problem. You can use the any type of quotation, either single or double. And then here you can see that simply my string equal to hello world, and simply I'm giving the print my string, print parenthesis. If you are using Python 3 and install Python 3 only, Anaconda is also available in 2 versions, Python 2 and 3. Install Python 3. So in the Python 3 you have to give the parenthesis, print brackets, within the brackets my string, so that it will display whatever the content of the my string, that will be displayed. Okay, simply you can give my string so that it will display the content of the my string variable. And another way is, this is the old style actually, the bottom one, print percent within the quotations %s is the number, and this is the old style of formatting the string. It is looking like our printf statement in C language, C or Java language. Generally it is in the C language. Okay, %s is number, %d. Okay, so for that Python 1, Python will be replaced at %s, 1 will be replaced at %d. Okay, and if it is in the version 3, you have to give the parenthesis. That's it. Everything is same. Only you have to give the parenthesis. Did you understand? Simply you can give without any confusion. Simply you have to give print of print within the bracket. You can give something. That's it. This is the old version actually, meaning old style of formatting. We are not using this format. Simply you can give my name is comma my name. That's it. You can give like that. I will show you how to execute that also. Okay. and then now Python syntax. Syntax means, see here, in that we can use the multi-line string also. Multi-line string means you can give the multiple lines strings, meaning that sometimes we may not type the entire text in single line. In that situation, we can terminate the line and continue in the next line, okay, by giving the backslash as the last letter of the first line. You can observe that S equal to first line backslash, meaning that there is a continuation. Even in the regular literature also, we have that option. If you are writing on the paper, if you are writing on the paper, if there is the end of the paper, then you can simply write the hyphen and continue the same word in the next line, same word in the next line. So in the same way here also, you can break a line by giving the backslash, and then you can continue the same line in the next line. Okay, so see here, S equal to, within quotations, first line backslash. In the next line, I am writing second line. Print S. If we write the print S, it is displaying simply first line, second line. In the same line, it is displaying, meaning that it has taken as a single line only, even if you give the multiple lines. Got it? And if you want to write number of statements in the same line, then you can give the semicolon. Print, within quotations, within brackets, hello, colon, print of how are you, so that it will display hello, how are you. Okay, first thing, you have to install the Anaconda today, and tomorrow you will execute all these statements while taking the class only. I will wait for your executions. Okay, I will wait for your executions. Right? Do you understand? Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay then. So let us go to the next one. I think it is almost done. Yeah, comments. In the comments, generally hash will be used for the comment in Python. It is like double slash in C++ or Java. Okay, and multi-line is also there. Multiple line comment is also available. That is, you have to give the hash for starting of the every line. That is one option. Otherwise, you can give the triple quotes, either single or double, 3 quotes. Okay, if you start with 3 quotes, that will be considered as the comment, and it will be end with the again 3 quotes. So see here, this is a comment. I am starting with 3 quotes, that may be single or double, and you can give any number of lines of comments, and you can simply terminate with the 3 quotes. Got it? Are you getting?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. And then, yeah. Next, constants. Now, constants means there are number of constants are available. Numeric constants, string constants are there. And see this here. This is a numeric constant. This is a floating point constant, and this is a string constant. We can use these constants. Okay, and these are the reserved words. Like all languages, we have the reserved words in Python. So all these are the reserved words. We will see one by one. Okay, not all. We will see most of them. And the variable name rules, they are also common, but only the thing is the variable name must start with a letter or with the underscore. Underscore is also allowed to start the variable name. So it is a case sensitive, strictly case sensitive. Python is a strictly case sensitive language. Good variable names are spam, it is a variable name. X, it is a variable name. Spam 23, variable name, valid. Underscore speed, it is also variable. It is also variable. Bad variable names. 23 spam, it is starting with number, it is not allowed. hash sign. It is starting with hash, special symbol. No, it is not allowed. var dot 22, it is not allowed. Dot is not allowed as a part of the variable name. Okay, only underscore is allowed. Okay, and spam, spam with capital letter and spam with all capital letters, they are all those are different. All those are different. Okay, so you can understand this because it is a strictly case sensitive language. And variables, it is a variable is the location in the memory which can store some data. Python, we need not declare the variables. We need not declare. Directly you can give like this. Simply a equal to 5, b equal to 3.2, c equal to hello. Or you can assign in different way. A comma b comma c equal to 5 comma 3.2 comma hello. So 5 will be assigned into a, b will be 3.2 will be assigned into b, hello will be assigned into c. Or you can give x equal to y equal to z equal to same, meaning that the same will be assigned into 3 variables. This is also very interesting. Got it? You just go through that, you will understand. Right? Now, yeah, this is a simple thing. Already you know this. I don't need explain all these things. So print of x, it is the function, plus is the operator, equal to is the operator, x is the variable, 2 is the constant, as you know, because already you are you are having some programming experience. Now, the core data types, these are the numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples, files, sets. We will discuss about all of them. Okay, list, dictionaries, tuples, files we will discuss. Set also we will discuss. And Boolean types, functions. Functions also we will discuss. We will not cover the modules, classes, and a compiled code stack. We are not covering all of them. Remaining we are covering. Because for data science, these are required. This is the Python for data science. Okay, and within this, these are the mutable. Mutable means we can change the data, and others they are immutable, meaning that we cannot change the data for them. I will explain you one by one, don't worry. Numeric data, string data, everything I will explain. Right? Help, if you want to get the help, simply we can get help of, you can give the instruction or object or function, it you will get the uh, uh, help for the particular thing. Okay, now see here the dir, you have the dir method, it is very important thing. So it will returns the attributes of the object or module. Sometimes we know the object name but we don't know what are the modules or what are the attributes available in that module or for in that. So if you want to know that, you can simply use the dir method. Okay, and then type, you can get the type of the object, what type of the object you will get very easily. Now we have covered these concepts. What is Python, who uses Python, features of Python, and the environment setup, and Python overview. We have to go with the basic concepts of the Python in the next class. Yeah, what is your doubt? Yeah, I'm seeing 1.5 years. What is that? Yeah. I have one question. After completing course, how much experience level knowledge I will get? Okay, because I have total years of 2.5 experience and in the Python 1.5 experience. Okay. Can I use my Python experience in data science? Yes. I started long back, 1.5 years back only, and I have developed right now. You can tell like that.
Sir, do you all also will you also support for the type
Hmm.
of interview questions after anyone has to give the data science interviews?
Remember one
You
thing,
will.
separate interview questions will not be there. Concept, you have to get the concept. Nowadays, nobody is asking the questions, interview questions. They are simply giving one case study and you have to solve it. The interview style was completely changed.
Okay.
Okay, nowadays nobody is asking the questions. They are giving some simple case study and you have to solve it.
Solve it. Right. Mm.
Okay. Yeah. Any doubts here?
Hello, sir.
Any?
Pankaj this side.
Yeah, yeah,
I have no question, but I was just asking about the like yesterday we didn't have any class, right?
yeah. No, no, we don't have the class
Uh,
because of heavy rain, we are not able to conduct the class.
okay, that though I can understand, but still I'm attending that class from Noida, so even no one was communicating. Even I had requested the
Uh,
Durga Soft team at least
no, no,
maintain one.
they are also not having the information because the suddenly the rain was started. Suddenly, all the power was gone. They also
Okay,
don't have the option to make me as the presenter. Actually, they started the session, but they are not
okay,
able to
okay.
make me as the presenter. Suddenly, it was completely disconnected. Yesterday's situation was not in our hands.
Yeah, I can understand, sir, but I just want to say, just have a small request. At least
Ah,
if it would be much better if you will create one WhatsApp group and
no, no, what
will
not
have.
WhatsApp group. I you will have in 2 days you will have the Google Classroom. You will get every update in that.
Okay, then it will be good for all of us.
Yeah, everything because uh, your exercises will be also posted in the Google Classroom.
Okay,
Okay, it is not like a simple thing. We you will get everything in the Google Classroom. Videos you have to ask there. Your
okay,
organization.
recording.
Yeah, recordings.
So, just want to know about some recent project you had
Hmm.
implemented on machine learning or anything related to data science.
Yes. No, 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 I don't want to reveal that. I cannot reveal
Okay,
that because there are so many things. Okay.
this
If I
might.
reveal, that should
Yeah,
not go out.
okay, I can understand, but might be like any small
Ah,
thing you did and should be
hmm.
because it will
I
boost
will,
the morale of everyone present there in class.
no, 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 no. See, I will show you the real-time examples and everything. Don't worry. But I cannot reveal my project, but I can show you some very good stuff. Don't worry. Please be
Okay,
patient. As I told you, the data scientist should have more patience.
okay, right, sir.
Okay? Yeah. If anything is there, I will clear the doubts. Otherwise, we can wind up.
That's all.
Okay? Okay. Tomorrow, let us continue tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, bye,
Okay.
bye, sir.